Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm Miss Stella, and today we're gonna make a cuisine using fascia sprout. Some of you may be curious about what fascia sprout is. It is called turup in Korean, and it is a sprout from fascia tree. In Korea or Japan, people usually take this as a side dish. It is proficient in protein, calcium, fiber, and saponin. So it is really good for the diabetes, for it helps to lower the level of blood sugar. Koreans usually cook this boiled, fried, and pickled. So before we start cooking, let me show you an ingredient that we need. Fascia, beer, sugar, frying powder. Let's trim down the fascia first. Cut down the upper part of fascia. Then remove the thorns attached on the stem. Scratch it with a knife. Leave the trimmed one on the side. Wash them with water. Remove the moist with a kitchen towel. Put 1 cup of frying powder in a bowl. Add 1 spoon of sugar. Mix them with a beer. Why do I put a beer instead of water? Because it'll make the fried food even more crispy than when you add the water. Prepare an oil in the pan. When it is heated enough, immerse the trimmed fascia sprout with a mixture. Then put them on a heated oil. Don't stack up with each other. Fry them about 3 to 5 minutes for each fascia. When it is done, put them on a kitchen towel to remove an oil from it. It looks like a Christmas tree. Let's try this then. It is so crispy and I can feel the scent of a sea sprout. I feel like in the middle of forest, and this is exactly what you have to make in the spring. Make this food at your home and share this with your family and friends. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button below. And see you in the next video. Bye bye!